The compression ring is closing in on the halfway mark. A brand new louver sector has opened at south goal, and all three lateral diamonds are pushing forward simultaneously. North goal louver bracket supports are nearly fully installed, and Tribuna is starting to pick up color. Camp Nou is transforming fast. Let's get into it. All three lateral diamonds are active and pushing forward at the same time. The most advanced, closest to north goal, now has its shoring beam framework almost fully assembled, with the falsework already forming the characteristic sloped ceiling profile. Floor formwork panels are being placed on top of the beams, and the concrete pour for this diamond's upper level is not far off. Once that pour happens, the full structural shell here will be complete. The third diamond, closest to south goal, is still at an earlier stage. Vertical rebar is in place marking the wall and pillar lines, and the base slab is done as it forms part of the parking structure below. The silhouette of the diamond is already visible from the rebar layout. The south goal corner staging area has been completely cleared out. All compression ring materials have moved to south goal and north goal, leaving this stretch clean and ready for ground finishing work. South goal is the most visually dramatic zone right now. A brand new phalange box was being placed during filming, one of the large format boxes, and the ring is now within just a few segments of reaching the halfway point. The next pillar needed to continue the sequence is already staged at the corner, and radial beams are stacked and ready. At current pace, the halfway milestone is days away. A significant structural installation is also underway here. A riostra and longitudinal beam assembly is being set up at south goal, one of 4 such assemblies planned at the cardinal points around the stadium. On the louver front, a completely new facade sector has opened up at south goal. Ceramic slats are being placed in this section, adding more covered area to the ground level facade. The color palette continues the deep garnet tones visible across the first tier, with the gradient expected to shift as louver installation moves into the second and third tiers. North goal is very close to completing its full louver bracket support installation. Almost the entire section now has supports in place, and painting of the steel bracket frames is ongoing to prepare the remaining areas for anchor bolt work. With the support framework nearly complete, this zone is approaching the point where anchor bolts and guide rails can follow in quick succession. On the compression ring, a new pillar was being relocated by the TC5 crane during filming, moved from the staging area toward its installation position. Radial beams and pillar sections are ready for the next lift sequence, and north goal is tracking closely behind south goal, expected to reach its own halfway point very soon. Tribuna is getting closer to showing its first color. Workers were on site installing the louver superstructure supports in the corner section, the framework that will eventually carry the ceramic louvers across this stand. Once this superstructure work is complete, Tribuna will follow the same installation sequence already underway at south goal and north goal. Outside the store, Diamond, ground leveling is actively underway. A significant area in front of the store entrance has already been concreted, and the remainder is expected to follow within days. This is not the final surface finish, but it will open access to the store. That is your Camp Nou update for today. The compression ring is days away from the halfway mark. All 3 lateral diamonds are in full construction, north goal louver supports are nearly complete, and Tribuna is closing in on its louver phase. If you enjoyed today's update, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Camp Nou construction coverage. There is still so much to come at this stadium. Thank you for watching, and as always, Visca el Barça.